Alright, it's Wednesday morning and I'm heading to Livingston, Montana to deliver my clay to the foundry to get a bid on it. I'm not delivering it to be cast in bronze, I'm just delivering it to get a bid so I can set a retail price on it. Alright. Beautiful day outside. Alright, I'll come back when I have something to show. Looks like rain clouds in the direction I'm going. That's east. I'm heading north right now. And so it could get rainy by the time I get there. It could be rainy when I get back. It's supposed to rain today sometime. The way I travel with my clay is I have a flat piece of plywood laid down in the back of my van, and I screw the base of the clay down to that board, and that holds it there so it won't be sliding around or falling over. This is the old Bozeman Trail that I'm following right now. You can almost see the old stagecoach route over there on that mountainside, or that hillside. Up to the Madison River right now. The Madison River is one of the three rivers that make the headwaters of the Missouri River, which starts about 40 or 50 miles north of here. There's a sign at a rest stop along this road that says that people have been traveling this Bozeman Trail, or this route, for over 30,000 years. They've found evidence of that. It's amazing. Such beautiful country, though. I had a friend driving through here one time, almost hit a mountain lion crossing the road to go down to the river years ago. Bridger Mountains over there. And Livingston is on the other side of them. Back in the early 1800s, your life wasn't worth 2 plugged nickels here in this area, because this is Blackfoot country, and the Blackfeet would have probably taken your wife for intruding on their land. Okay, this is Four Corners, and I'm heading north now. If I went south, I'd be going towards Yellowstone Park. Finally, I'm on the freeway. Northwest Art Casting was where I used to have my bronzes cast, and it was for 30 years I used to have them cast there, and that turnoff right there is where I would have taken to get to it, which is just down the road a little bit. Now it's I think someplace where they keep animals, dogs and cats and stuff. And that's the old Foundry right there. I've got about 20 miles to go now to get to the Boyer bronze that I use now, and I've got to go through this canyon. There's some beautiful rock formations up this canyon. So this is the other side of the pass, and the end of the Rocky Mountains. From here on is the Great Plains of the Northwest and Midwest. It's beautiful country. Those mountains off in the distance there surround a canyon that goes down to Gardner, Montana, which is the gateway to north entrance to the Yellowstone Park. Alright, we're just a few miles from Livingston. I'll be right back. I got a good bid on this clay, and I also picked up the bronze of Prayer on the Wind, and taking that back home so that the client can come by and pick it up. Alright, now I'm going to head back home. It's about a little after 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and it takes about an hour and a half to get here from Ennis, and it's a nice little trip. It's really nice when there's no snow. I'm so glad summer's almost here. I don't know when I'll be back in my studio working. I'm trying to work out an idea for clay in my head, but I've also got to make room for this clay in my studio to store it, and that's getting to be hard to do. Alright everybody, have a great night, and I'll see you whenever I get back into my studio. Right now I got to get back on the freeway. Good night everybody. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.